Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in the video we have giveaway announcement. As we had Friendship Day giveaway on our page Kanak Jaipur, so now in this video I am going to announce the winners, and luckily there are 5 winners. Yes. We had to choose 3 winners according to the giveaway, but after seeing your positive response and active participation in the giveaway, we are choosing 5 winners. Yes, 5. I know you guys have been eagerly waiting, so let's not wait and directly get into the video. So the 5th person gets goodie bag from Kanak Jaipur, and in the goodie bag it will have decoupage varnish, decoupage glue and seal, a bunch of white foam flowers, a pack of pearls which will have multiple size of pearls and half-sided and rounded too. Apart from this, for the 5th winner we also have this yellow color polka dot paper tape. First thing what we have for the 5th winner is this paper tag, and this is watercolor paper tag. So the winner of the 3rd goodie bag from Kanak Jaipur is Rituparna. We request you to mail us on an email ID which is mentioned in the description box below, and you can claim your giveaway there. So congratulations Rituparna. So the person who is 4th also gets a goodie bag from Kanak Jaipur, and the goodie bag includes this foam flower bunch, decoupage varnish, decoupage glue and seal, a pack of pearls which has mixed sized, rounded and half-sided pearls. This cute orange color polka dots paper tape also goes to the 4th winner. Apart from this, the 4th winner also gets this cute watercolor tag. So are you excited to know who is the 4th winner? So here it goes. The 4th winner is Nidhi Sanganeria. So Nidhi, congratulations to you. We request you to mail us too on an email ID mentioned claiming your giveaway prize. So congratulations once again. So as you guys know, one of our sponsors was Itsy Bitsy, so they have given us product from Little Birdie, and this is the sparkle paste. Can you see how glittery and shimmery it is? The camera is not doing justice, but it is so glittery. So the next product which we have is this tinted metallic paste from Little Birdie, which is in the color Lime Crush. So Kanak Jaipur thought to add on its own items, so we are giving away this small card which is distress card to the giveaway, and apart from this we have a matching tag too. So the giveaway gets Itsy Bitsy product and Kanak Jaipur products too. So the winner of the Itsy Bitsy product is Padna Gupta. So congratulations ma'am. We request you to mail us on our email ID claiming your giveaway prize. We would also like to congratulate Neelu Mittal for winning the voucher from Craft Destination Center, which is of INR 500 rupees including shipping. So congratulations Neelu. You can claim your voucher by emailing us on the below mentioned email ID. So congratulations Neelu. We would also like to thank Craft Destination Center for being our another sponsor. So thank you Avnidhi.
So
So now we have another lucky person who gets a goodie bag from Kanak Jaipur, which includes 2 pieces of this cute little birthday die cut. This big die cut on which 3D stenciling is being done. So I hope now you can see it clearly. So next we have this distressed tag with us. We have a pair of tag, but one color is red and another has green distressing done on it. So after this we also have a pack of pearls for the winner. And also this camera die cut. The winner also gets this 5th August tag as a memory that you won the giveaway on 5th August. Do you remember this tag? Yes. Of the DIY we have shown in our previous video, we are giving away this tag too to our winner. So let's see what next we have. Yes, we have 10 pieces of these doilies, paper doilies, white color. We also have a bunch of yellow foam color flowers for the winner, and also we have white colored foam flowers for the winner. Next in a bag we have this yellow color paper twine for the winner. Now comes the most interesting things which I have made it by myself. So here I go. So we have these tags or die cuts, you can say. So can you see this tag? 3D stenciling is done on this die cut also. So I have multiple die cuts and these are stamped in the goodie bag. So do you remember this one? I have also shared the tutorial of this one. And this is the watercolor die cut on the base. So next we have these polka dots heart shaped die cuts. Same design, we also have circular die cuts in the goodie bag. So the winner of this is Payal Mittal. Congratulations Payal. So you need to mail us on our email ID which is mentioned in the description box below to claim your giveaway, mentioning that you have won the giveaway. So guys, this is all for the giveaway, and also I have to tell you one thing, that you need to email us within 24 hours to claim your prize. We have another surprise gift for Payal which we have not shared in the video, but she'll receive as a gift from Kanak Jaipur. So we have another surprise coming up for you guys on 29 August 2018. So till then, keep sharing, keep crafting. Happy crafting guys. I hope you enjoyed playing the giveaway with us. We have more such giveaways coming in future, so be updated.